Welcome everyone to North Kuwait Excavation, Transportation and Remediation Project Zone 1. Monthly video. February 2024. February is a month of celebration for all of Kuwait for the National and Liberation Days, and our project has seen a continuation to the great start to this year, with another fantastic milestone achieved in the project. Please join us on our journey to this milestone. Ground truthing and pre-topographic survey. To kick off our journey, the ground truthing and pre-topographic survey was conducted to map the exact boundaries and elevations of the contaminated soils, for which a total area of 5,223,989 square meters were surveyed. Unexploded ordnances. Subsequently, 2,772,080 square meters of land were cleared from the unexploded ordnances. Battle area clearance methodology was used, utilizing more than 50 specialists and different armored equipment. Site soil characterization. The contaminated soils were then identified and quantified as per the site soil characterization, in which the pre-excavation volumes of contaminated soil with the following total petroleum hydrocarbon ranges were identified. 1. Greater than 1% and less than 5%. 2. Greater than 5% and less than 7%. 3. Greater than 7%. A total of 911 samples of contaminated soils were taken and sent for laboratory analysis from the sub-areas. Treatment optimization studies. Treatment optimization study aimed at optimizing the bioremediation treatment of soils contaminated with total petroleum hydrocarbons, TPH, 1 to 5%, encompassing both bench scale and field trial phases. The bench scale trial involved trays with a weight range of 10 to 15 kilograms each, while the field trial utilized a minimum total volume of 100 cubic meters. Upon the completion of the above stages, the preliminary and enabling works concluded, and we were ready to move to the next stage of excavation and transportation. Excavation and transportation. In preparation for transportation to the treatment area, the contaminated soils were excavated and stockpiled according to TPH range, depth of contamination and hauling distance. Stockpiled contaminated soils were then transported to the treatment area via the weighbridge in preparation for the screening, pulverizing and placing activities. The total quantity transported this month is 121,000 metric tons. These activities have utilized an average daily of 75 equipment, including dump trucks, loaders, excavators and graders. The cumulative quantity of contaminated soil transported to the treatment area is 2.2 million metric tons. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing and placing. To prepare the transported soils to the required soil size for remediation activities, they go through screening and pulverizing units, where 5 screening units and a crusher are in operation in 2 shifts. The screened soils are then weighed and placed in the biopads and stockpiled in preparation for the bioremediation and soil washing treatment processes. The total contaminated soils placed this month is 92,500 metric tons. The cumulative contaminated soils placed is approximately 1.9 million metric tons. Soil washing. Our soil washing system is currently undergoing optimizations in preparation for the full operation of the plant. Bioremediation. Last but not least, we have arrived to our great milestone achieved this month in the bioremediation activities. We have started our first bioremediation cycle approximately a year ago, and have initiated the second and third bioremediation cycles, in which we have seen fantastic progress in both the first and second cycles. The bioremediation process involves the following activities: taking baseline samples for each biobatch of 9,000 tons of soil to identify the initial TPH of the contaminated soils. The addition of amendments, both solid and liquid, to the soil. Tilling using the windrow turners, with the addition of water for optimal conditions. In the bioremediation process, daily monitoring is crucial. Our dedicated sampling team ensures data collection from the bio piles through soil samples. The key parameters we focus on during daily monitoring include moisture levels, bacterial count, TPH degradation with internal and external labs, additional nutrient dosage if required. This month, we are proud to announce the successful RTC for 15 bio batches, treating 134,973 tons of contaminated soil. This brings us to our great milestone of this month, for which a cumulative of 118 bio batches were treated. These consist of 82 bio batches in the first cycle and 36 bio batches in the second cycle. Together we celebrate the achievement of the total contaminated soils treated to a whopping 1,052,253 tons. We would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone involved in this fantastic achievement, from Kuwait Oil Company, PMC, and KAK Lamor. One million tons of contaminated soil treated in just 1 year, a testament to our commitment to environmental sustainability and responsible remediation practices. We are proud of this achievement and continue to strive for innovative solutions in cleaning up our environment. Thank you for watching.